Okay, so second example here, we're looking at division with rational exponents. You can see how the format is written out slightly different, but we can translate this into the same format that we saw in the first example. So we still have the same base y. Y has the power 8/5 divided by y to the 8/7. So we're going to apply the first property, which tells us when you have the same base, we can subtract the exponents, which allows us to rewrite it as y to the 8/5 minus 8/7. Now we have to use what we know about subtracting fractions, because without the same common denominator, we can't simply subtract those two numerators. So what we'll need to do a little bit is here try to find a common denominator between 5 and 7. The common denominator between those two numbers would be 35. So we have to find a way to get the 7 to become a 35, as well as find a way to have the 5 become a 35. So what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply this fraction by 5/5. And we're going to multiply this fraction by 7/7. This will allow us to have common denominators, and then we will be able to subtract the numerators. So we're going to bring down y, which is still our base, but now we have a new fraction. 7 times 8 would be 56, minus 35, minus the fraction 8 times 5 would be 40, all over 35. So now we can subtract the numerator, 56 minus 40, because we have the same denominator or common denominator, which gives us y. 56 minus 40 would be 16, all over 35. The last thing you would do is see if you could simplify the fraction, 16 and 35. Now, 16 has factors such as 2, 4, 8, 16. 35 only has factors like 1, 5, 7, and 35. So unfortunately, we can't reduce it, so this would give us our final expression.